काय करने उन्होंने ड्रेस नहीं बनाया क्या काय करने ये कोई दूसरा कहना कोई तो काय मोबाइल में पर पकड़ बता दिया ऐसा भाई मुझे क्या लगेगी और कपड़ा है जहाँ जाना नहीं नहीं मैं भी कपड़ा
Next stop, Towngate.
Jalan sini. Decline ya. Paling kayak gini. Tunggu भी आप तो नहीं मारोगे ये तो वाटर मैडम ने मिल गया चाय
Route 1 to Cows via Roundhouse.
Oh, tyres falling behind. Show you what I've been watching. Yes, in front.
Tadi double juga cycle ini gini, plus ke banyak. Tadi tiga tapi. Ini cycle di jo अंदर जो. अंदर बीजी है dia. Ini ada lawan, singkat lah, debut dari dia. Ini itu.
Next stop, Nursing Road.
Ada di dalam mana?
So yeah, you decided to make jokes about me being stressed out. Take the piss. He was stressed out too soon. Why haven't you put his headphones in his bag? In the 10 minutes I was getting myself ready. He didn't understand. After I told him to stop 3 times, he kept going.
Sajjad ne behin diye to bagaimana?
He kept going. And then didn't understand why I was so pissed off.
Next stop, Isle of Wight College.
After 5 minutes of watching a movie, he's on his phone. He's either on TikTok, he's watching Instagram reels, he's watching Facebook reels, you know, he's doing everything but watching a movie.
Route 1 to Cows via Roundhouse.
He's not doing that, he's listening to music or gaming. On his phone, he's got Google Apps. So I literally turned around and said,
Industrial estate. But industrial is not in Newport one.
you're not watching a movie.
From the warehouse.
And
But now they will do
if
it.
you are, I'm taking your phone off you,
Okay,
and you're not having that until after the movie's finished.
Next stop, St Mary's Hospital. A night here for HMP Isle of Wight Albany site.
Hello. Ma'am, I have just got my credit card. card is blocked and my account is I didn't access for my account for application.
Even if you want to make jokes, don't do it at the worst time because you will regret it. Or what did you say?
Really?
I said
What?
now's not the right time to make jokes. And I
Yeah, yes, before working, before I use 1 to 0 I use it.
I give a good one. I said just text me to take my action. That's why.
Okay.
Miles the entire way through, and I literally had to
Patel,
you want to have
bridge is fine.
not sit on the phone or call you on what you do on the movie when you wanted to watch a movie on back on his phone.
Address? Address?
And I'm trying to say to him,
Route 1 to Cows via Roundhouse.
Hello?
And then he got angry at me because I
You need
was
the address?
trying to get his attention. He turned off his phone and what do you want? And I
Credit
told him
limit?
until I finished my talk.
1,200.
Full volume when you wanted to watch a movie. So he turned on
Short for direct debit means yeah, I have.
and then completely
I have Barclays Bank and short code is
and I was like, if you
okay,
want
I
to
did
do this, I'm not
zero.
if you want quality time, then can't be asking about quality time.
202706.
Like, what I'm bored. I'm like, you might be bored, but I want to actually spend some quality time with you.
Before today ago, I called him. He said sending the 1 week ago. Because she told me send the code to your home. I
A
didn't.
light here for HMP Isle of Wight.
Yeah, I didn't.
First site.
Maybe before 1 week ago, I called. Yeah.
Make up your mind. If I set boundaries of when to go back through, and I didn't mind that after the movie, obviously, I got to watch the movie, I didn't mind this. But then he didn't be. He woke me up at 6:10 in the morning. Be on his phone, get meetings, and drinking pancakes, apparently in the style.
Okay.
Then he used my back as a phone gesture to eat Pringles and watch his phone at 1:30.
Yeah, yes, full name.
So I'm
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
what do I do? Like, I love it to bits, I really do, but this
Okay.
and I told him, and no, if we know how to
Route 1 to Cows via Roundhouse.
You can't really help it.
I know, what really
Okay.
scared me
Yeah, I agree.
was he usually touches and sees me in that he just stays dead silent. And didn't even look like he was moving, barely moving, and I kept on
Next stop, Chapel Corner.
Okay.
like, get off and trying to say, but he kept giving me the look. I thought he was
Okay.
meant. Why is it? And then
Okay.
he said, "Tell me what happened."
No, thank you. I call tomorrow. Yeah, morning 9 to 6 around. And what about all? What about the customer care or account access?
I snore.
Can't make out what it says. But when I sleep talking, you can actually make out what I'm saying.
Would you wake up?
Okay. Thank you.
Please, this man don't wake up till so I can sit there.
What is the name of the one?
During the night.
Route 1
And when I
એ લોકો મને બોલાવે ને
Cows via
તો બે દિવસ રજા
Roundhouse.
ત્યારે બોલાવવા પડે આપણે
go down
અત્યારે
get a drink.
Eh?
બે દિવસની હાથ રજા ને ત્યારે બોલાવવા પડે આપણે બધું બનાવી લેવાનું તમારે બોલતી
Next stop, Stag Lane. Next stop, Crocker's Farm. Tap on, tap off users. Please remember to tap off before leaving the bus. Next stop, County Showground. A light here for Military Museum.
Long Beach हो એટલે શૂટિંગ કરવા પડે યાદ કરવા પડે પાસવર્ડ મોબાઈલ હશે
Next stop, Jordan Lane. Next stop, Horseshoe Inn. Next stop, Uplands Road. Next stop, Four Cross. Route 1 to Cowes. Next stop, Broadfields Avenue. Route 1 to Cowes. Next stop, Roundhouse.
bani ke to hum page to hum na
Kill yourself.
ઓગાના પેટમાં કેટલી વાત હોય મને કહેવાના છે મેં જાવા તો કમ સે કમ કલાક વાત કરે મને બહાર લઈ જાય છે તમારો ફેમિલી તો
Route 1, 2 cows.
ઓકે એટ્રીન લાવવામાં મદદ કરજો
Next stop, Isle of Wight Community Club.
આમાં નાખ્યું કેટલા વચ્ચે કોણ આપું કેટલા
Next stop, Parklands Avenue. Next stop, Brashley's.
કાઉ ધરે આપણે ધરીએ
Route 1, 2 cows. Next stop, Park Gates. Route 1, 2 cows. Next stop, Cowes M&S. Alight here for Redjet high-speed ferry to Southampton. After alighting the bus, follow the red and green pavement markers to the terminal.